Okay, so hello friends. So today I'll answer about a question. The question is Marrow sending their edition for Note set 2 at this pandemic moment? The answer you will get in the Marrow FAQ. So here it is, Marrow FAQ, that frequently answered question. And here it is, the FAQs on Marrow edition for Notes. Click here. Okay, so then here you can see I have set one notes when I will receive set two notes. Okay, click on this and they are clearly mentioning that set two notes will be dispatched after the lockdown is over and our delivery partners resume operations. Okay, so you have to wait for the lockdown over. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, then please do not forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.